Hello YouTube, it's your girl Leslie Nichelle here, and I'm excited because I'm coming to you all with my very first YouTube video, and I got a new wig. I love buying hair. So me getting a new wig is a big deal to me. um I am really excited. I have been thinking about purchasing this wig for a minute. I watched a couple of other YouTube reviews on this wig and I liked what I saw, so I chose to purchase it for myself. So this is going to be like a kind of a unboxing initial type video or whatever, and I definitely want y'all to let me know if y'all want to see me actually apply this wig to my head, style it, whatever. Just leave me some comments in my section below. But right now, if you are interested in this wig review, stay tuned. Now, the wig that I actually purchased is from Divatress.com, and the wig came in this box. Oh. Now, as you can see, the tape is kind of ripped because I cheated a little bit and I actually kind of went ahead and opened it. But I didn't open up the actual wig. So I just wanted to see, how it came packaged on the inside. And it was cute in this little box or whatever. But, I'm going to go ahead and open it. Okay, this is the wig. Now, as you can see by the card, a lot of the videos that I watched, people had the wig in this orange color. Now, me personally, I am exploring colors. So I don't want to just jump out there and get the orange. This platinum blonde, as y'all can see, is going to be a test for me. Because a lot of people that know me know that this is not a color that I normally do. So I'm just, kind of trying to explore things and find me and what I like, as far as colors and things go. Now, normally, as you can see, I'll go with me a cute little jet black wig and we'll call it a day. But I wanted to step outside the box with this one. And I think that this was a good choice. It is the Magic Lace Curved Part Lace Front Wig. I got it in the color 613. As you can see, I don't know if you all can see that. 613. And it is kind of like a long bob shape or whatever. Kind of something similar to what I have on right now. But this is definitely a wig that I think is going to be straight. I really think it's gonna be nice. But I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. And of course it comes in your, regular packaging with the little plastic part on it. This is the card for it. I'm not gonna cut anything off of it right now because I don't plan on putting it on. So I'm gonna just go ahead and take it out though. And then it comes with the little card showing the different styles in the back of it. Just different styles that you can purchase. I got that all in the way, but just different styles that you can purchase or whatever. As you can see. Okay. And this is how it comes with the, traditional netting that they always put on the wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove that because I actually want to see and feel the hair. I'll put that over there. And it comes with this on the front of it. And y'all, I really like this already, just straight out the pack. I love the cut of it. It's not a straight blunt bob, and I actually do love that it comes with the bend on the end of it. Like, I really love that. So I definitely want to kind of keep that look. I might straighten it out a little bit. You all, I am getting a little bit of shedding. But I mean, hey, it's a synthetic wig. I expected that. I definitely like the color. This is going to be different for me. Like I said, I have never had a platinum blonde wig. Never. So I definitely am excited about trying something new. I do want to just kind of, make this fit Leslie, so I don't have to walk around looking crazy or anything. Let me see the inside. Go ahead and take this off. Okay, it comes with your lace at the front, as you can see. You know, it's a lace front wig. It comes with 2 combs at the top and a comb at the nape. I don't know how I feel about these 2 combs, because sometimes those combs work for me and sometimes they don't. So I'm just gonna have to kind of see if this is gonna be one of those wigs that they do work for me with. But if not, then, you know, I just don't use them. I will probably be using the Gots to Be Glued method to apply this wig to my head when I do get ready to wear it, which will be very soon. My friend is having a baby shower coming up, and I think I'm gonna wear this one to her baby shower. Now, the name of this wig is, I don't know what the name of this wig is. You know how sometimes they name their wigs? I was looking for a name, but I don't see. All I see is a number. So it's the MLC 203 style. That's what style this is. It says that it's flat iron safe, you know, up to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. And it is high heat resistance fiber. That's what it says. It comes in a slew of different colors, as y'all can see. It comes in a aqua blue color, a 1B in brown. It comes in like a red wine color, a 1B in blonde, and then it comes in a rose gold color. So if you want this wig, you can get it in any color you want it in, pretty much. But I definitely am excited. It does come with the drawstrings in the back too. I forgot to show you all that. Comes with the drawstrings in the back, and I am just excited about this wig overall, y'all. Like, I'm really excited about it. Just initially looking at the wig, think that this is gonna be, you know, a good wig for me. I am really excited about trying that color, and I hope I don't look too crazy. Shipping took about 4 to 5 days. It really didn't take very long to come at all. I think it was like 4 or 5 days. It actually came pretty quickly to me. Shipping was not bad at all. I didn't have any problems with getting it or anything. So, you know, shipping was really, really good. That was actually my very first time ordering a wig off of Divatress.com. I will leave the link to the wig in the description box below if you all are interested in purchasing this wig. So I really, really hope that you all, you know, give that wig a chance, because like I said, initially it really looks like that it's going to be a really good wig. Just kind of go for it, you know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, I went for it with that color, but I'm definitely still gonna apply it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna make it work. Yes, I do plan on making it work. That is really all that I have for you all today. So I really hope that you all enjoyed this little video. I just wanted to kind of show y'all the wig that I bought, even though I'm sure y'all have seen this wig a million times here on YouTube. But I just wanted to show y'all and give y'all my experience in ordering the wig. But I hope to see you all soon, because I definitely will be posting more videos. Bye.